Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to make meeting link in Microsoft Teams. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is log into our Microsoft Teams application, and once there we will click on the icon that looks like a calendar. After that you will have to choose a day and time for the meeting. Click on it and that will open a new window where we can configure the name of our meeting, a field to add the emails of the meeting attendees, the day, the start time and the end time of the meeting. We can even add the location and we can write a description and even attach a file. Then we will only have to click on the send button in the upper right part of the screen, and that's it. The meeting invitation will have been sent to the emails that you added, and you can even copy the meeting link. Very simple. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.